Arrive in style with this Dodge 2020 Journey SE Value. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Quick Order Package 22B included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, SC Popular Equipment Group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service. For more info call 888-539-7474. Sirius Satellite Radio. Leather-wrapped shift knob rear air conditioning with heater power, 6-way driver seat power, 4-way driver lumbar adjust radio, 4.3 SU Connect voice command with Bluetooth air conditioning with 3-zone temperature control, security alarm, leather-wrapped steering wheel, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 fully painted black, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, black top package included, black headlamp.